uncle mo.
Kasi sa guard.
Nag-aahit ka na ba?
Sa guard.
Malapit na, Okoy.
Oh, shave it off.
Tita.
Ang maganda dyan, ang sinave off niya yung eyebrows niya. Nag-experiment siya. Ba? Ano ba nasa isip mo nun? Ba't mo siya? Hindi na, tumutubo na siya. Ganyan.
How
Ano nangyari?
How old
Dito,
are you?
here
I was
lang,
playing with
dito.
Daddy's shaver. Then
Hindi yung electric.
yeah, they
How old were you, Koy?
Just this year.
This year, last year.
yeah.
I think that is too much. But, you know who was like that? Uncle Ronnie. Bigla na pag ganyan ni Mami, ano yan? Sana ko. Kalbo na yung ulo, pinakalbo ng ng lolo. Tapos nag-ahit na ng kilay.
Siya dito, pinag-experimento niya yung...
Tapos,
Oh, ikaw
ito,
din.
nagugupit na.
English only.
Ay, ako yan!
Ito,
Well, I guess I'm the only
Sabi niya
normal
kasi
one.
nakakano eh. Gigilin.
papasok sa school.
Pretty good. You cut your hair funky before. Subtitles.
Subtitles.
Yeah, I need that. Magic. Learn how to understand what we're speaking. You don't understand English either, so it doesn't matter. Passing
Her
that
English.
class, so. Hey Abby. Same thing. Hey Abby, come here. Hey Abby. Huh?
Bingi-bingihan niya.
Hey Abby.
Ito.
What's your favorite color?
Ano
Yes,
yan?
yes, I know.
Staring into space.
Ah, yeah, that's one of them. We could do the look.
Sorry, but don't really pay
Do the
attention.
look.
And then
Sometimes.
Yung kunyari, you
Well,
can
getting at the airport, Mom was holding coffee. She's like, she's about to drink it, and then she paused like that for like more than 3 minutes.
Why? Nag-invoke ikaw?
Tapos,
It's like she had a.
It's like she was a complete panic and it's like she was like styling coffee or something like that.
Invoke.
And then there was smoke coming out of the coffee.
Well, kasi ami ko, dapat meron kang camera. Dapat ika-capture mo siya. Cover.
Oh, sabi nila yung picture
Magazine
ko daw.
cover.
talaga, may usap kayo?
Oh,
Pinag-usapan niyo
show
ako.
your eyes when he looks up. Mama, make his eyes when he looks up.
Ano?
Ah, okay.
Do
Sige.
it.
Paano?
Oh, tingnan mo yung Tingnan looking, banlag siya.
Oy, huwag niyong gagawin niya sa asawa ni Jolly. Bandang talaga siya.
Talaga.